Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're looking at the two deals. They do have some clearance deals from Milwaukee. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell if you guys help us so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. Subscribe, hit the like. That's the way YouTube runs their platform here. Alright, starting out we've got some Ryobi. If you guys didn't know, Ryobi did release some new tools. They're like a subcompact, pretty much the same battery. But and they did release a new battery too, a smaller battery. It's a 1.5 amp hour, more compact battery. But yes, they're pretty soon they're gonna start. If you guys don't know, they do have that deal online where you can buy a certain amount and you get a certain percentage off. So I'll see if I can make another video and explain that to you. We got the Milwaukee 6-piece, $4.99. Looks like a good deal. This store's weird because I did see some other Milwaukee. Yeah, and then you got the battery. You buy one kit or one tool, you get one battery for free. You buy two kits or two tools, I guess. Yeah, two power tools basically, and you get two batteries. So that's a pretty good deal. Anyways, yeah, some other stores have like a table in the middle section, and they have all the yellow stickers without the Milwaukee clearance items, and this store somehow did not have that, which is weird. But yeah, some of the other Home Depots that I've been looking at, they do have that, that I heard of basically. And yeah, same thing with the Dewalt. They have the $2.99 deal. They have the $3.99. So definitely check them out. And Dewalt does have the same thing online. They don't have it here, but they have it online. They have that if you buy like $300. Well, they have it here too, but it's online. It's easier because you can play with it. You can play with it so you can get basically the lowest prices. Because sometimes if you put more, you get less, and you get the pieces for less. So like I said, I will make another video on those two, on the Ryobi and the Dewalt. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, so we can so you can stay tuned for that basically. Yeah, and these went down. These bits, $12. I believe they were more than that. Same thing with this one. It went down $9.88. That's a good deal for $9.88. If you know. It's a 42 piece, so 100. Yeah, it's a fairly good deal there. So definitely for under $10 is, if you're a DIY, that will just work fine. Like I said, those are $15.97 and $12.97. The $12.97, I believe it went down. The $15.97, I don't remember exactly. That's a 40 piece. Yeah, then they have the Stanley $14.97. Some Milwaukee tape measures, and yeah, they had some more clothing on this store. I never been to this store before. Somehow all the stores in the East Valley have clothing, the Carhartt clothing. So yeah, they did have the long sleeves as you guys see there. You got some Husky there, $14.97. I believe that they went down from $19.97. $2.29 for that Husky kit mechanics. And yeah, they had Milwaukee or Makita had that battery deal. If you buy a tool, you get one for free or something like that. They don't have that anymore. They pretty much scratched it off. And then I did see this, which is, I never seen this before. $69. It's basically it's a battery. It's an 18-volt vacuum basically from Rigid. I knew they had one out there, but I'd never seen this one before. I believe the other one was bigger. And then they had this kit here for $4.99. I mean, most of these tools are brushed, so just keep that in mind. They had this starter kit for $179. You buy the two batteries, I believe 2 4 amp hour batteries. If you buy if you buy that kit, basically you get a tool for free. So then again, that's another tool deal you guys could look at. This is the M18, so I mean M12, so it's in the 12 volts section there. But yeah, any tools from that picture there to the right. I would think the Rocket Light would be the one of the best tools to get with that platform. Then they had this charger, this cell phone charger, 1997. Some pruning blades, 897. Advantees, and then they have some gloves, 988. Some more markers here for from Milwaukee. Then they had this circular saw here. I don't know if these are leftovers from the buy one get one free deals. But yeah, I was just looking to see if I didn't see any special stickers on them or anything, because they're, you know, some of these tools are running on clearance. That's the Rocket Light right there. That's the M18. So I guess there's some of those tools that they had left from that buy one get one free deal. They had this for $269, the Dewalt compressor. And then I believe this price went up too. It was $29.99, now it's $34.97. If I'm not wrong, maybe I think it's this one or another one, similar item to this, was $29.97 or something like that. That's the Shockwave 50 piece. And then, yeah, if you guys don't know, Milwaukee's coming out with the new oscillating tool. It's a fuel. So I guess they're going to be clearing out those tools. And it's not a bad tool. It's just that they just upgraded pretty much to a brushless. It's probably smoother and longer last. You know, probably better on the battery and stuff like that. $349 for that kit and $99 for those two batteries. It's a 2-pack. Then they had this Dewalt Kit, $19.98. It's a 105 piece, and it does include the clear case, so the ones you can stack on top of each other. You can't really stack it on top of the tow system, but and then they had this battery, $89. So they still had a few of these left. And they got the drill driver and peck driver for $199. I believe they are brushless. That's them down there at the bottom. Which is not a bad deal. You're still getting brushless tools. And then they had this kit, $129. It's a nice starter kit for the DIY, or if you're professional, you just want something cheap to get you around and good brand, $129 will get you that. Yeah, they had the blower, $99 for the 18 volts, and I believe $159 for the 40 volts. So, but they had this temperature heat gun there, $34. Yeah, it seems like they lowered the price, but I believe this price, it's been there for a while now. So I guess they're gonna stay at $4.99. I don't think they're gonna be clearing them out, the Eagles. So, and they had the Toro in this store. They had the Ryobi, the new Ryobi that came out. This is a 21 inch, 40 volts. That's the Toro, the new Toro, that $339. It's not a bad deal. It does come with the battery, I believe. So $449 for the Ryobi, and $339 for the Toro, and $359 for the 20 inch, and $259 for the just to push mower, basically. And that was the 13 inch, which I don't find any use for it, basically. It's too small, not unless you got a really small yard. Then they had this, I believe it's a display or something like that. Then they had this, a huge hand sanitizer, paper, toilet paper, and all kinds of stuff. It seems like they're selling a lot of it, I guess. Yeah, that's the Eagle. That's the Dewalt. Some people were getting that Dewalt for like $50. Let me know down in the comment section if you know what that deal was. But yeah, you got the regular, the 60 volt and the regular battery right there. So the new one and the old one, basically. And then you got the Milwaukee. It's a really nice one. Then they had this. It actually went down $49 for a pressure washer. 1600 psi. It's not a bad deal. 99. That one went down too. I believe it was 129 before the summer or the spring got here. So yeah, if you guys need some, check out your Home Depots, because I know they're dropping in price. And all you need to do is come up with an electric pressure washer that it's higher psi. That a lot of people will buy that, because a lot of people don't like dealing with gas. If they can come out with like a 2200 or not a 22, like a 3000 psi electric pressure washer, that would be nice. $29.97. So you save $10 if you buy just the off-brand there. That's the clearance section. Mostly electronics, lights, like fixtures and stuff like that. So it's a camera. And they have the plumbing section here. Like I said, mostly on the East Valley, they have this plumbing section here. First one to the right is the M18. The next one down is the M12. And that one's the air snake, the one with the pretty much it blows it out, you know. So yeah, they got a whole bunch of new tools, or not new tools, but they had a whole bunch of plumber's tools here. And that's the trap snake. That's the 12 volts, a smaller one, basically for like small sinks and stuff like that. Then they have some pipe wrenches, some pipe cutters and stuff like that. So they got a really nice selection here. Some side cutters there. Yeah, it's really nice. Milwaukee is a good brand. They got a whole bunch of tools that we didn't even know they had. So yeah, and this is the clearance section. They did have some Ryobi, but the prices weren't that good. I mean, they were the same as the brand new prices, basically. That's why I didn't even bother to take the camera up there. They had that on clearance, a 3-piece for $315. Then they had a rotary hammer there for $299. Not a bad deal. Both of them are not bad deals. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Like I said, I'll try to make those videos. I've just been super busy at work. Just been trying to get as much content out there for you guys still, even with working my 10-hour a day, especially out there in the heat. Yeah, and I tried looking for some Tough System 2.0s. I cannot find any Tough System 2.0s. I think they have some deals online. But yeah, I could not find any Tough System 2.0s. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. If you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.